Hello guys, today I'm playing some Subway Surfers. So today we're in Shanghai and that's nice. I've played Subway Surfers a lot lately since March. So I played a lot, so I'll put it down here. Let's check. Let's try to finish and get the 10 keys. I'm gonna do the Shanghai specially. Who's outfit?
No.
Vander, no. I'll do Ricochet. Perfect.
Show Franksters.
Buy some boards.
Show Franksters.
Frankie doesn't want to see.
Yeah, he does.
Frankie is lame. Frankie's poor.
Well, he's gonna see.
Guys, let's try to collect this 35 things and then we'll see where we can get there to that. See how far we can get. Vander, what are you doing? Just hanging out. What does F stand for, frick? Fan. What happened? So guys, if you don't know, it is 9:11 in the morning and no one's up except for me and Vander and the animals. You'd be crying to death, not laughing to death. Yeah, but you'd be crying to death, not laughing to death. See him, see him. He's crazy. Police is chasing me with spray. Oh my gosh. Well, don't put him on place. Now Frank's in. Oh yeah, yes. You're coming, guys. You're coming. So you guys have got. Oh crap, no. Just trying to show you guys something. Okay, we got a hoverboard. I was trying to show you guys something. But we don't really need this. So you can just kind of like put it like there. Unless I really need to pause it. Well, actually, God dang it! I keep trying to. So Vander, I need. Vander, I need 4 more of these, and then I get 10 keys. So.
And then you need 4 of what?
4 of the fan, whatever thing. That's why it's spelled fan, because it's. Wait, did I spell it yet?
I thought it's spelled.
Did I spell it yet? I think I spelled it.
I feel like it's spelled the F word.
No, don't say that.
I said F word.
Yeah, don't talk about that. Can I jump up? I did it.
But I didn't do it onto the second row.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Don't say that. You're only 6. Bad.
No, I'm only a 3-year-old boy.
If you have like a younger person, if you have a younger sister or brother, you shouldn't say "shut up" around them. I'm just doing a bad example for them.
Shut up.
See,
YouTube is out there. Shut up.
I'm just gonna beat him up until he stops saying. Will you stop? Oh yay, sweet. 2 more. Will you stop saying it? Will you stop saying it?
Yes.
I hate my face cam now. I'm just gonna put it right here. There's no place to put my face cam, otherwise it's blocking everything.
Shut up.
I'll just put it right here. Perfect.
But shut up.
But yeah. Such a dirtbag.
Hey, shut up.
Serious.
Why can't I say shut
It's
up?
playing right now.
What? Hey,
That's you.
you shut
I missed
that
the
camera
jet.
up.
At least I got the
You
thing.
shut that camera up.
Roxy, you can come over here and beat him up. Yep, she's beating him up. Beating him up good. Crap. I never got in the jetpack. Is there one over there? Nope. So Subway Surfers is about to update soon. Oh, that was lucky. And we're about to go to I Have No Place Idea. So we're on the second week right now. And today's Sunday, so about next week we're gonna go to a new place. So, still put the thumbs up, crap. That'd be the thumbnail. Here, I'll try to make a thumbnail. Crap. I'll try to make a thumbnail. Hold on. This is the thumbnail. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that should be the thumbnail. Whatever. Okay, let's need 2 more. Yay.
And I'm back.
I'll just say, and here he comes back. Oh yay, Pogo sticky thing. We can get it
The
after.
booby sticky thing.
Yay, we're on roads that are on the ceiling. What?
What the heck? Jump to that one. Whoa.
Jump up there, and then jump here, and then jump here. Yo, guys, comment down below if you want me to do a floor is lava in Subway Surfers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, do you brush?
Roxy's chewing on a brush.
Yeah, the brush.
She had a brush.
She got a brush. She got a brush. Brush.
I'm singing. If you don't know what I'm singing like, I have a pen. I'm trying to play here. I have an apple. Ooh, oh crap. Gotta play.
No, I want to tell them something.
Yay!
I got a dynamo. I got a pen. Splat. Dynamo pen.
What's wrong with your voice, Mr. Scratchy Butt
Okay.
Thing Face? Whatever. Butt Thing Face.
Just please shut that video up. No! Don't!
I'm telling him to stop.
Just say shut up.
Shut up.
You shut up.
I'm gonna beat him up now.
Hey.
Okay, I won't. Gosh, I didn't really mean it, Roxy. Yes, finally, the first jetpack of the video. So, now we can just float in the sky like the little magic eyes today.
So now I got a pen. I got a dynamo.
God, here we go again.
Splash.
So,
Dynamo pen.
we went at the Rush River. No, it wasn't the Rush River. It was the Shell Lake.
Yep.
Yes, last one. You see that baby sign? Legally incomplete.
Oh my gosh.
No, if they can't make that thumbnail in here, it should be.
They can get from there.
Okay. With some nails.
Yesterday we went to Shell Lake and I
I've
got
added
I guess
keys
what?
to my key stack. I now
Yesterday,
have 40.
Yesterday, I got glass stuck in my foot.
Yeah.
You
Savannah?
Oh,
Vanner.
said it.
Hey, Vanner. I'll let you say
What?
shut up one more time if you grab my glasses. They're on the
Okay.
counter. I'm going to take you guys on one more ride and just use some boards.
I got a pen. I got glasses. Shut up.
Crap. Okay. Now that's better
So it's like
because
I
I can
got some
see better.
glasses.
I probably look.
got a pen.
I probably look more cuter like this.
Shut up.
Hey, ladies. Hey, ladies.
Over.
What?
I got it.
You can't say it no more.
What? I want to tell them something about shut up.
I think they heard it twice, Vander.
I got some glasses. I got a pen. Shut up. Shut up, pen.
Come on, now, dang it. There's a secret that you can do, hon. Yeah, did you see that? He jumped up and like did the fat bouncy thing. Oh yeah, get some bouncy shoes. Get some bouncy shoes. I get more bouncy shoes. I got doo-doos. I got doo-doo. I got doo-doo-doo-doo.
Is that a bouncy board? Is that a...
No, I just got bouncy shoes.
You should get the bouncy board.
No, that's too much. I don't have enough for it.
Does it cost keys or money?
I don't know. I got a doo-doo. Cost money. Because the board upgrades are like the outfits cost keys. I got a dee-doo. I got a doo-dee. Oh crap, it's been 10 minutes. It's probably end the video. I don't want to crash though. See you guys when I crash though, okay? Bye.